kids running around him. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. If you're interested in watching Vlogmas and holiday vlogs for the next 24 days before Christmas, then keep on watching. Here we go. All right, so I love candles. You guys know, like, I'm a big candle person. Like, who isn't, you know? Who the hell isn't? And I just got a package and I got Christmas fragrances from a brand called Goose Creek. Let's get into smelling these candles. So the first one that I got is called Cookies and Milk. I thought that was adorable. And I'm gonna pop it open. I haven't smelled these yet. This is like first time with you guys. Okay, this is definitely, it smells like chocolate chip cookies. I was expecting more of a chocolate scent, but it's not very, very cocoa scented. It literally smells like a cookie. It's so cute though. Look at the packet, like look at that. How stinking cute is that? The next one that I got is called Sweet Banana Bread, right here. You guys are probably like, well, that's not a Christmas scent, but I read really good reviews. They had a whole bakery line, Goose Creek did, where it smelled like stuff you would smell in a bakery. So I was like, that's so cool. This smells, want to know something about these candles is they smell so realistic. That's the thing about Goose Creek. Like if you go to, we love Bath & Body candles, like no shade whatsoever, but they have banana flavored scents and it's so, so strong. These are a little, it's not strong, like bread strong. It's like fruity, like banana, like it's very fruity in scent. So I did get another one. I'm debating if I want to show it on camera because it's a little bit of a Christmas gift for somebody. So right now I'm currently going to post to my Instagram and my Like to Know It page. So this is the photo that I'm going to upload. Wow. This is the photo I'm uploading to my Like to Know It page. Love to always like show you guys what I'm doing and skincare products I'm using on my Instagram. I'll post the same photo, like the same product over and over, but that's just because that's how skincare is. It's not like makeup where it's like, I could post a new palette every day. I could create a new eye look every single day. Skincare products, you use the same ones every single day. If you don't, you're gonna have like a serious skin issue. Let's hit the road, baby. Hey you guys, I've decided last minute that I am going. So, all right, OOTD, this is the sweater of the year. It's Free People, you guys. I wear this all the time. I gotta go find it in more colors. You guys, I have the Chanel brooch on just because I feel like being Lux's today. And then of course we have the Lady Dior pouch. We got Gap jeans, of course, and I have these Clark loafers. They're the most comfortable, most durable loafers I own, and they're fantastic. You guys, I went shopping at Banana Republic and I'm gonna do a haul at the end of this video for you guys. I just, of course, got out of my beloved Starbucks and I got my honey flat white. That's the coolest Christmas blow up I've ever seen. He's magnificent. Okay guys, so I got my light fixture. I'm not sure if it's gonna really go with my home decor, but I'm obsessed with it because it has like drips, like it looks like crystal drips, and I'm obsessed. And I want the gigantic deer. Wait, these are lighted candy canes, and I need. I need those right now, actually. Oh, I can't help myself this year. It's getting bad. These things the cutest. Look at this fat little polar bear. I love him. They're solar light sticks. I love these. Look at them. Look at the little fat Santa. I love them both. Okay, I gotta buy some things. I'm obsessed with what I got. Hello. Hey, babe.
What's going on?
Nothing. I just got out of Home Depot. just pulled over on the side of the road because I see a man laying on the ground and his kids running around him. Another car just pulled over to check on them. I just ran out of my car with my four-ways on. That doesn't look, I'm sorry, but that doesn't look normal. Another car is like pulling out. They stopped too. I just literally, I literally just swung my car over. I saw these kids like kicking a man just laying on the ground. There they are. I don't know what's going on over there. That freaked me out. I gotta get out of here, but they're insisting it's okay. That car just left too. I gotta get out of here. So weird and creepy. Okay, you guys, I don't know if you could see my new coat. I have my ISOs up really high so you can see the color. Okay, well, here's my new coat. It's like a jacket, or I don't even know what it is, but it's so stinking cute. It's, first of all, I don't buy colors like this green plaid, and then it's like, it's all like tweed and stuff, like if you could see the coloring. It looks really, really pretty with my blonde hair. That's why I really like it. I don't own stuff like this either, so I figured, it doesn't have pockets, but it's got these really cute buttons right here. And I had to get it. Like, I have to get it. And I did. She did. Next. Okay, you guys, and here is another, like, blazer that I got from Banana Republic factory. I love because it's like a wool, and it's, like, super soft. And, oh, I have fuzzy. It's super soft, and it's, like, stretchy. Like, you could see that stretch. And it's very fitted. And it fits me really, really nice. Please don't mind my bra underneath. But I really, really liked this blazer as well. And then for the holidays, they were having a sale that if you spent a certain amount of money, then they would give you a free scarf. So I chose this very neutral looking scarf. I thought it was like super cute. Put the Chanel brooch here. And I'm even gonna probably wear this with my Oxford Clarks that I showed you guys. I think that's gonna look really cool, and I feel like really put together. Also, I wanna show you this. It also matches my Malo Rose Dior pouchette. Do you guys like love, like, are we obsessed or are we obsessed? Like, I'm just living for this whole entire look. I think also what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, oh, hi, maybe I won't even put it, maybe I'll just go out like this, like a Britney moment. I'm just kidding, but I'm gonna put my Chanel brooch here. I'm gonna put my Chanel brooch here for sure. So then, like, we're gonna have like Miss Chanel, Dior, fitted, queen. Okay, you guys, so that concludes today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. Tomorrow, I'm taking you guys to Bethlehem and Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania with me to go visit my friend Demir. Bethlehem is like a Christmas village. It's like an hour and a half away from where I live, and my friend Demir just moved there, so it gives me an excuse to get out there. So you guys, see you tomorrow, and happy Vlogmas. Also, if you wanna follow me on my Vlogmas journey, then definitely stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like, and you could get more vlogs just like this. Also, designer hauls as well as luxury skincare hauls. So stay tuned, you guys. Mwah.